Hey YouTube, welcome to Software Interview Prep, the ultimate guide to help you ace your software engineering interviews. If you're preparing for software interviews, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss a video. Today we have this problem. It's a given integral array of nums, and we want to move any zero values in the array to the end. So basically we have 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. It will be 1, 3, 12, 12, or 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. So if we went here, not delete that. So let's say that we have an array. I have an array of 0, 1, 0, 2, 3. It should be 1, 2, 3, and 0. And how we can solve this problem is that there is tons of different solutions. One of the solutions that coming to my mind, that we will take this array, okay, and we will move each zero to the end. Basically we start with each numbers that doesn't equal to 0, and we move them into the beginning and run another loop again and put all of the zeros to the end. So let's just go to the code, because it will be way more easier to understand. So what we are going to create is that first we want to start to we create a variable that last none zeros found at. So basically we want to know where is the last zeros found, because after that we start to just add the zeros. And basically we make a loop for, I'll say let I equals 0, I less than nums dot len, I plus plus plus, and I will say if nums of I doesn't equal 0, I will say if nums of I doesn't equal 0, I will say nums of last found at, it will equals nums of I. So basically we are moving this variable to the first, and I'm increasing this one plus plus, okay. And I'll say after we finish this, actually I'll make another loop to put all the zeros to the end for let I equals last and I'll say I less than nums dot len I plus plus. I will say that nums of I equal 0, and basically that's it. It is that simple, and it's beating 91%. So yeah, it's I guess pretty straightforward, easy problem. I guess I will make another description to make sure that we understand it. So I'll describe the code again. For example, let's take this one. And let's assume this is our nums. So I will have this one. I will have the last non-zeros, because actually I want to know where's the last zeros actually, and after that I'll try to add zeros. But let's just walk through the code. For the first loop, I'll say that if I doesn't equal 0, let's just look at this one. No I equals 0. Okay, so last nodes will remain 0. Okay, for the second one, if I doesn't equal 0, I equals 1. So yeah, so nums of last node zeros equals nums of I. So basically the array will look like that. Will look like that, and this last node found will equals 1. Okay, and I will continue to loop again. Okay, so I will find I have the third one, it will be 0. So let's just change the array. So oh sorry, so we have this one, we are looping again. Okay, so we have 0. Okay, nice. Is nums of I doesn't equal 0? No, nums of I equals 0. Okay, so we'll continue. We will go through the 3. If nums of I equals 0, no. So nums of I equals nums of last non-zeros found equals nums of I. So it will be like that: 1 3 and 0 3 12. Okay, so we will continue and we increase this by 1, so this it will equals 2. So we'll have nums of we will loop again, and we are reaching the last one. We are saying is for let I equals right now it will be I, it will be this one, it's 1 2 3 4 5, it will be 4. So nums of 4, it will 12, and it will be equals because it doesn't equal 0, it will be, I will say nums of last nodes 0 found equals nums of I. So basically it will be like that. So this is our array that finished from the first loop. And the second loop, what I'm saying that basically we're having this one, and we are starting from the third, yeah, from here. Basically we are looping again, but we are starting from last node zeros found for this one, which is b3. So I'm starting for here. So basically I'm adding 0 and 0, and yeah, that's it. And but this way we solve our problem. And if you found my description wasn't that good, just to comment below. I will make a video again to make sure that it's way more easier, or maybe prepare for it more. And this is it for today's problem. And before you leave, you make sure that you subscribe and you turn on the notification button so you will not miss a video.